Hello everyone, welcome to Architecture channel. In this video, clock design ideas. When it comes to choose a wall clock design for your living room, there is a various option available to suit different style or performance. In this video, we will watch the some design idea to consider minimalistic, modern, opt for a chic and simple wall clock with clean lines and minimalistic feature. Choose a clock with a metal or wooden frame and minimalistic dial design. This style blend well with the contemporary living room decor. Vintage charm. If you have a traditional or vintage inspired living room, consider a wall clock with ornate details and the distressed finish. Look for clocks with Roman numerals, decorative hands, and wider appearance to add a touch of antique charm to your space. Industrial Chi- industrial style clock often feature exposed gears, metal frames, and rugged aesthetic. These clocks work well in living rooms with an urban or lots inspired decor. Look for the clocks with distressed metal finishes or combination of metal and wood. Statement piece. Make a bold statement with an oversized wall clock. Look for a large clock with a unique design or an interesting shape. It becomes a focal point in your living room. It can be a conversion starter and add a dynamic touch of your space. Nature inspired. Consider a clock design that incorporates elements of nature. Looks for clock with natural material like wood or bamboo, or clock featuring natural theme pattern or motif such as leaf, flower, or animal shapes. These designs can be bring a senses to climb or tranquility of your living room. Geometrical pattern. If you prefer a temporary and artistic look, choose a wall clock with a geometric pattern or abstract designs. These clocks often feature non-traditional shapes or unique arrangement of lines and shapes, adding a touch of modern art to your living room. Personalized and I get creative and design your own wall clock or consider purchasing a customized clock. You can add a personal photo, quotes, or artwork to create a unique timepiece that reflect your personality and style. Remember to consider the size of the clock in relation of your living room wall and overall decor style to ensure it harmonize with the space.